going to show you a recipe that uses our produce of the week. We're talking about green beans this week, otherwise known as snap beans or string beans. And what we've got is fresh green beans here, and the reason they're called snap beans is because you snap off the ends before you prepare them. So that's how they got that name. So I've already done that to my raw green beans here. So these are already cleaned and washed and the ends are all cut off. So what I'm going to do is make a recipe called Asian green beans. This is a really delicious, flavorful recipe, and I'm using an induction cooktop here to cook my green beans. So you can enjoy this recipe. So all I do is I put some water in my saucepan with some soy sauce and some ginger. So the recipe calls for fresh ground ginger, and I didn't have any of that on hand. I like to keep the frozen cube ginger in my freezer, and then I have it whenever I need it. So I just combine those ingredients for the sauce, and I'm going to add the green beans as well. So this is about a pound of fresh green beans, or snap beans, and I'm going to stir that together in the pan. Now, as far as the soy sauce goes, the recipe calls for low sodium soy sauce. So soy sauce is really high in sodium. So by using the low sodium, you're saving about half the amount of sodium in the recipe. It's about 600 less milligrams of sodium in a tablespoon of low salt sodium as opposed to the regular soy sauce. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just let those simmer covered for about 6 minutes. And just so you have some information about how good snap beans are for you, they're a great source of fiber, they're a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Vitamin C is one of those nutrients you need to replenish every day. It's a water-soluble vitamin that your body gets rid of on a regular basis. So I'm going to let that simmer for about 6 minutes covered on a medium heat. Okay, so after our 6 minutes is up, we uncover the green beans, and we're going to just let this simmer for about 3 minutes uncovered to absorb all the rest of the liquid into the green beans. Okay, so now my 3 minutes is up. Most of the liquid is absorbed, so my green beans are ready. So what I like to do with this recipe, after I plate it up into the serving bowl, is I like to top it with some sesame seeds, just to give it a little bit, an extra crunch and crisp and a little bit of Asian flavor with that. And there you have it, our Asian green beans. Very simple recipe. For this and more recipes, you can go to our website, extension.udel.edu, and just click on the Nutrition, Food Safety, and Health tab and scroll down and you'll see a whole library of healthy recipes. Enjoy!